I try to continue from the last video, but I don't know how to operate this thing, I guess. These have been soaking for an hour. I'll reach in there and grab one. Look at that. Try another one. Okay. Looks like it's coming off pretty good. That's just with my hands. You know. Yeah. Oh, it looks like the rust is off, but it's still got some. Well, I guess them are scratches. Yeah. I don't know if you can see it. But I want to let them sit for another hour and clean them all up and see how they look. Hey, you guys got extra parts that are all rusted. You know, I've always been trying to clean stuff like this up. Well, these are completely rusted up. They're all cleaned up. And I seen a member from one of the Facebook vending groups post to get some stuff like this. It's called Evapo Rust. And it's biodegradable, non-toxic, safe on skin and eyes, reusable. Well, it does a damn good job. I tell you, I was thinking I was going to have to buy extra parts, but let them soak. And these are the bottoms. This is completely rusted up. It works damn good. Well, I thought I'd share that with you, and we'll catch you later.